Maybe somebody came and took it.
Oh, sure. Let me go lay down, okay now?
Okay, whose turn is it to tell a story?
I think Georgie.
Georgie, it's your turn to tell a story.
Georgie, you need your water? I will be right here.
Georgie, are you scared?
Should I turn on the lights? Yeah. Okay, I'll go through.
Why? Why?
Because Georgie's scared.
No, we're okay.
Yeah, I'm scared. Okay, I will turn on one light.
No, we can't sleep with the lights on, okay?
Okay.
Okay, thank you, Ariel. Okay, George? We can sleep with flashlights on, though. Okay, is everybody ready for a story?
My flashlight, though.
Okay, let's get settled. Do you have everything? Does everybody have what they need?
Me.
Okay.
Okay. Everybody. And when we're
George,
done,
you can lay on your pillow.
And when we're done telling the story, we can go to bed.
Okay, you ready?
No, I want you to tell you stuff.
Okay, tell a story, Ariel.
Okay. Fine. And I'm gonna take a break from stories. You can tell a story, Mama.
Oh, okay. George, you want to tell one? Georgie, why don't you lay down, please, on your pillow?
Magic. Yeah, everyone, this is my flashlight. There you go. Mama. Are you see that?
I did. Where'd you go? Ariel, George is gone.
And me. Scary monster. And me.
Look at those teeth.
You want to take a picture of me? Want to take a picture of me? You want to take a picture of me?
Oh, you guys.
You want to take a picture of me? You will put on me?
I think it's time.
What's the bunny?
Honey Bunny.
Open bumper. Dun dun. My super T-Rex. I named my bear String. Boom boom. Let's go you me. Go you.
Oh.
And I named my bear Flower.
What do you say, George?
His name was Butterfly. His name is Butterfly. But that's a girl.
Okay. Okay, guys, it's time to start getting sleep. Say goodnight. Say goodnight.
Good night.
You say goodnight, George?
Good night. Excuse me.